At 200,000 miles from home, the spacecraft shuddered, and a voice cracked across the void. Houston, we've had a problem. At first, it didn't sound like disaster. No alarms screaming endlessly, no explosion caught on camera, just a strange vibration, like the ship had hit an invisible wall. Inside Apollo 13, lights flickered, gauges danced, then one number dropped to zero. Oxygen, the very thing keeping three men alive. April 1970. Apollo 13 was supposed to be routine, almost boring by moon landing standards. Commander Jim Lovell, with Fred Haise and Jack Swigert, were days into the journey, floating in a fragile bubble of metal, silence stretching endlessly outside the windows. When the oxygen tank exploded, it didn't just rupture hardware, it tore away certainty. The blast ripped through service module number 2. Oxygen bled into space like breath on a winter night, invisible and unstoppable. Fuel cells died. Power collapsed. The moon mission was over in an instant, but survival was suddenly uncertain. On the ground, Mission Control didn't panic, not yet. Controllers leaned forward, pencils moving fast, minds racing faster. In space, the crew felt the cold creep in. Condensation froze on panels. The ship grew dim, quiet, too quiet. Then came the pivot. The lunar module, meant to land on the moon, became a lifeboat, never designed to support 3 men. Never tested for days of survival. Every system strained. Carbon dioxide levels climbed like a silent tide. Engineers on Earth dumped parts onto tables and asked a desperate question. How do you make this square filter fit into a round hole, using only what's on board? The answer came together with tape, plastic, and brilliance. A solution born not of heroics, but of calm thinking under impossible pressure. As Apollo 13 swung around the dark side of the moon, Earth vanished from view. No radio, no help, just 3 men trusting equations, instincts, and each other. They fired engines blindly, using the sun as a guide, correcting their path home by hand. Re-entry was the final gamble. Too shallow, they'd skip off the atmosphere. Too steep, they'd burn alive. Radio silence stretched longer than expected. In Mission Control, no one spoke. Somewhere over the Pacific, a parachute blossomed white against blue sky. Apollo 13 didn't fail. It revealed something deeper. That survival isn't luck. It's teamwork, ingenuity, and resolve when the plan falls apart. If this story moved you, take a moment to like, share, and subscribe, and leave a comment below. Your support helps these stories keep flying.